Hey, hello YouTube, how are you today? I'm fine, because today I am creating the last video for the Telegram bot. It works good and I use it as a vocabulary trainer. And now there are only a few things are left. Firstly, we need to update the test function, because when we send a random message as a text, our application tries to find it in database, but it is impossible on GitHub. Secondly, the Telegram token must be hidden as usual. And firstly, I would like to create localization system so we can change message texts separately from the code. Okay, this is a plan for today. Let's get started. Telegram token was saved as a variable. Now I wrote it down in env file, and here I created a constructor that defines the token. Next is localization system. Laravel already has it. We just need to use it properly and change the code accordingly. There is a documentation for localization system, and according to it I transferred all texts to separate file in lang catalog. So, for example, let's see at the info message. There is a function that retrieves the text from localization file and it transfers parameters into that text. Therefore, the ID placeholder will be replaced by this ID and so on. Moreover, we can create a file for stickers as well. So here we have an array with good stickers, and when the user answers correctly, we can send one of the good stickers in the chat. And finally, we can make a separate message for the test, or we can just send info message and check the HTTP status. Let's make these changes, upload the code on GitHub, and finally try to learn some new Finnish words. Okay, that is awesome. What about localization? I created a new directory and a Finnish language Telegram file. Let's change the application local option and check what will happen. Yes, believe me, this is Finnish. Okay, that is all I wanted to show for this project. You can find the bot on Telegram and try to play with it. If you have something to add, ask or suggest, please write your messages into the comments below the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.